Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. Not what you expected, right? I am here in the outdoor testing studio with this box full of simulated glue. I don't know, it's simulated. It actually says faked whipped cream glue, decorative cream clay glue. I have no idea what it is. That's what I'm reading it. But Nikki's inside doing crafts with our nieces, and she sent me out here to quickly open it up, tell you if this is what is advertised here on this sheet of paper, so you know what you're looking at. And then I got to bring it back so they can play with it. You can assume if this video is up, they played with it and enjoyed it. I didn't have to come back out here and either change it or delete it. Let's see what's inside the box here. Okay. So we have a bunch of packages of simulated cream glue. What the hell that is, I have no idea, but I guess I am going to find out a little later. Here's just so you can see there are a whole lot of bottles in there, just so you can see what they look like. There are also different tips for different kinds of looks. I see stars, I see octagons, I see more stars, teeny stars, big stars, lines. If you wanted to make different shapes and crafts with stuff, this is absolutely spot on. Oh, look, they're cute little applique kind of things. Yeah, if I was doing arts and crafts, I think this would probably be good. But I'm not doing arts and crafts, so I'm going to have to leave you now. I'm going to give this absolutely a 5 out of 5 for being what's advertised here in front of me, and I'm going to deliver it to the kids to go play with. If it sucks, I will not put this video up, but if the video's up, you can assume they really enjoyed it. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.